In the global financial market, countless special assets are silent due to the limitations of the traditional system. Real estate is forced to sell at a low price due to insufficient liquidity. Art is difficult to find like-minded people due to information barriers, and small and medium-sized enterprises miss opportunities due to financing difficulties. These assets could have created huge value, but they are dormant in the old rules. Aetheris, a financial technology platform with blockchain and Web 3.0 technology as its core, is breaking the shackles and giving every investor the opportunity to participate in the value reshaping of global high-quality assets. Imagine a young entrepreneur from Southeast Asia who purchased the revenue rights NFR of a high-end New York hotel for $1,000 through the Aetheris platform. This digital right is clearly recorded on the blockchain. The hotel's daily occupancy rate and rental income are updated in real time, and the smart contract automatically converts the income into USDT in proportion and deposits it into his account. 3 months later, the hotel's performance improved due to the introduction of a professional management team, and his account received an additional value-added dividend. At the same time, a European collector is converting his ancestral paintings into NFR assets. Global investors are rushing to subscribe, and the valuation of the paintings has jumped from $500,000 to $800,000. The holder can transfer the shares by simply tapping the screen without going through the cumbersome auction process. Through asset securitization and equity tokenization, Aetheris splits high-quality assets with a threshold of millions of dollars into the smallest unit that can be flexibly traded. Whether it is a priceless diamond mine, commercial real estate with stable cash flow, or a technology patent that is about to explode, investors can participate with as low as 1% of the shares and enjoy the triple benefits of rental dividends, asset appreciation, and liquidity premium. The platform is more like a global asset supermarket. Users can freely combine asset packages such as real estate, minerals, and artworks. AI investment advisors tailor solutions according to risk preferences, and smart contracts ensure that every penny of income is transparently distributed. Aetheris knows that security is the cornerstone of finance. The user's asset property rights are notarized on the chain. The evaluation report is audited by PwC, and each fund flow is encrypted through cold wallets and multi-signature technology, and the hacker attack record remains zero breakthrough. The trust seals issued by U.S. regulatory bodies, such as the SEC RIA license and MSB financial license, silently convey the compliance strength of a platform. In addition, Aetheris adopts a military-grade risk control system. All assets must be double verified by a third-party authority before being put on the chain, and the smart contract code is audited by top security companies, such as Open Zeppelin. The $200 million risk reserve pool resists extreme market fluctuations, and user assets and operating funds are completely isolated and stored in regulatory accounts of partner banks, such as Aetheris and Citi. More importantly, the platform rejects all air currency speculation, and all NFR assets are anchored one-to-one with physical assets. Even if the project encounters setbacks, holders can still recover the principal through asset collateral liquidation. The story of Aetheris began with the 2008 financial crisis. The founder experienced the collapse of the traditional system and was determined to rebuild trust with technology. Today, the platform has managed more than $1 billion in assets, and its services cover 40 countries, helping more than 100,000 investors transform idle funds into co-owners of New York office buildings, Swiss wineries, and Silicon Valley patents. There are no obscure financial terms or secretive black box operations here, only indelible data traces on the blockchain and the real and tangible asset value behind each profit. While traditional finance is still defining wealth with paper, Aetheris has reconstructed the rules with code. We are not a casino for adventurers, but a toolbox for pragmatists. We use compliance licenses to build the bottom line, use technological innovation to open the upper limit, and make global asset flows as simple as sending an email. Here, wealth growth is no longer a game for a few people, but a future that every ordinary person can embrace.